Well, very good morning. We have been learning about Calcutta and where it is located and its climate. We saw about the different government offices which are located in Kolkata and also the economy, the different services in Kolkata. We also learned about the people here, their language, dress, culture, food, and today we will be learning about the different monuments and places in Kolkata. So let's go on a virtual trip around Kolkata and see the different places of historical importance as well as other places of interest in Kolkata. Now let's read about the monuments and places. So all of you can read along with me. There are many places worth visiting in Kolkata. The famous Howrah Bridge is built over the river Hooghly. Kolkata is famous for British architecture. The Victoria Memorial is a beautiful monument in Kolkata. The famous Eden Gardens cricket ground is also located here. The Botanical Garden is known for its banyan trees. Well, here is the Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge is also called as Rabindra Setu, and you can see the beautiful view at night when it is lit up, and it is also one of the busiest bridges in Calcutta, and it's over the river Hooghly, and it's linking two cities of Howrah and Calcutta. Here is the Victoria Memorial in Calcutta. It is a blend of the Mughal and British architecture. This is a picture of the Eden Gardens in Calcutta. Eden Gardens, as we all know, it is the cricket stadium in Calcutta and it is the second largest cricket stadium in India. This is a great banyan tree inside the botanical garden in Kolkata. It's a very famous banyan tree because it's said to be almost more than 250 years old, and you can see that it is so it looks like a dense forest itself, and apart from that there are wide variety of plants like orchids, palms from different continents of the world. So let's underline the important monuments and places. We have the Howrah Bridge, then we have the Victoria Memorial, which is a beautiful monument. Then we have Eden Gardens Cricket Ground, which is famous cricket ground in Calcutta, and also the Botanical Garden. Now let's continue reading. Shanti Niketan and other educational institutions are famous worldwide. So here Shanti Niketan is been founded by the famous Tagore family. We all have heard about Rabindranath Tagore, who was a Nobel Prize winner, and they established the school called Shanti Niketan, which also means abode of peace. Other places of interest are Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar, Alipur Zoo, etc. The National Library has more than 1 crore books. Chowringhee is the main center of activity and entertainment in Kolkata. So here we learned about the Birla Planetarium, the Rabindra Sarovar, Alipur Zoo. Also, there is a National Library which has more than 1 crore books. And we also learned about Chowringhee, which is a center for entertainment in Kolkata. Here is the Birla Planetarium in Kolkata. Well, this is a picture of the Rabindra Sarovar which is located in South Kolkata. This is an artificial lake here, and the area around the lake has been developed to include parks as well as gardens for different types of recreational activities, and it is called as referred to as the lungs of Kolkata because it's a place which is away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and there is lush green trees, variety of trees around this place. Here is a picture of the inhabitants of the Alipur Zoo in Calcutta. Here is a picture of the Chaurangi, which is an important business district in Kolkata. It has a lot of shopping places, so it's a shopper's destination as well as a number of hotels, and it's an important entertainment center in Kolkata. This is a picture of the National Library in Kolkata. It is the largest library in Kolkata and it's said to have more than 1 crore of books. Well, now let's see if you have been able to remember what we just studied now. Let's have a quick revision with question and answers. Botanical Garden is known for its banyan trees. The famous bridge in Kolkata is the Howrah Bridge. Shanti Niketan is famous in Kolkata as an educational institution. Can you name any of the monuments and places which we learnt in this lesson? I'll mention a few of them that are Howrah Bridge, Victoria Memorial, Eden Gardens and Botanical Gardens. Do you remember the largest library in Kolkata? It's the National Library and there are about 1 crore books there. Which is the center of entertainment in Kolkata? It's Chauringi. Well done. So we have completed the monuments and the places of interest in Kolkata.